I had this SSD lying around and I wanted to give it a new look along with some protection. So I 3D printed a case for it. It's inspired by the folder icon, also had seen few designs online, and I wanted to give it a shot in my own way. The design has two parts, a case and a slide out cartridge. The installation is pretty simple. You place the SSD into the cartridge, slide it into the case, and there you go, a folder shaped SSD case. On top, I have added a grasshopper parametric texture that gives it a soft, tactile feel and a clean visual rhythm. To remove it, just press the button on the top and pull the cartridge out. Let me know what you think about the design in the comments below.